How's it going, guys? Today I've stolen an 86. We're taking one of my friend's 86s and we're putting some plates on it. She has just got some brand new heritage plates that have arrived in the mail. But if you know anything about heritage plates, they're not flat, so they don't really work with the old plate holders, and they're a lot wider as well, so they don't fit that way either. At the moment, she's got no plates. So today we're taking it back to the factory. We're gonna make a little plate bracket for her. So let's go jump in. This is it. We put it on coilovers a couple of weeks ago. She's got some D9Rs with PS5s. It's a sick car. It's really cool. But yeah, obviously no plates. This was the last bracket they made for other plate that went on the side. And we used a little bit of vinyl to cover up the holes there. And that was good for a time. But now she's on to bigger and better things. So let's get this out of here. Oh my gosh. Sorry, babe, I don't know how you fit in this thing. Hang on. Oh, jeez. Man, look at this. Man, what a nice box. All right. All right, fellas. Let's get back to the factory for some handcrafted fabrication. Alright, let's get measuring. I'm going to try and keep this door shut for as long as possible in here so it stays kind of cool, but obviously I'll bring a car in a bit later and we'll get things sorted. We're back and I'm analysing what I got and how this is going to work because I haven't really planned this out. This is what I have from her old license plate. So that sits on there and then this piece goes on the back. What I'm thinking, this is the heritage plate. It's got two holes on either side. From Bunnings, I brought this bar. I got these anti-theft screws and I'm hoping I can pop a couple holes in the middle, mount these on there, and then a couple holes on the ends and mount those onto the ends of the plate there to get it on here. So now that I have this all together, that is cut flush. And all of these holes through there, I don't know if you can see that, but they line up pretty decently. Now, this should go onto that fine, and I just need to get this onto this. Wow, there goes the ASMR. I made this video at the start. I was like, oh, I'm gonna make these like custom brackets to go on it, and then halfway through I was like, oh, I'm gonna chop up these other brackets and attach more brackets to it, and that was me just bolting a bar onto it. Oh, hey buddy. Aww.
Yeah.
So that it doesn't. Front is done. Yeah, this is sick. So now we just got to do the rear. Should be pretty easy. But check it out. Hell yeah, it's on. Let's do it. That's sick. What do you reckon? Out of 10?
10.
Easy. Easy 10.
I'm competent. As usual.
Oh. Sick. I'm so sorry.
I don't know, what is the problem? I can't remember.
plate install is done. It's looking good. I'll chuck in a couple like little cinematics afterwards, but everything is mounting up pretty sturdy, and it looks sick. It's really cool. Viv, you happy?
So happy.
Yeah, it's cool. I feel like it gives the car like more of a premium.
A little bit more luxury.
Yeah, a little bit more luxury. Even though, like, aside from the fact that they're like $9,000 plates, it looks like, I don't know, it just looks better, you know? Anyway, all right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Bye.